Looking for an application to manage your educational institution? Meet InstiKit, the most comprehensive institute management kit created by an education coordinator who understands the requirement very well. It's a real-time solution that helps you manage your school, college, institute, and academy. By reducing the time needed for administrative tasks, it allows you to improve the productivity of your institution multifold, so you can focus more on students. Starting from reception to academics and from transport to library, with tons of features, modules, and an easy-to-use interface, InstiKit helps you manage all the resources, processes, and daily operations. You can create multiple academic sessions, define courses, manage classes, batches, and subjects, and create day-to-day timetables for these courses. Setting and maintaining the history of the subject and class teachers is easy. Record admission-related inquiries, feedbacks, and complaints from parents. You can also record follow-ups and maintain visitor logs. With InstiKit, you can streamline the pre-admission and admission process and manage it efficiently. Record students' registration and admissions. Store detailed information about students such as contacts, parents, siblings, past qualification, and bank accounts. You can also store their documents such as birth certificate, mark sheets, registration and admission forms. Record everyday attendance with a simple user interface. At the end of the term, you can also choose to promote students to next term or terminate their admissions. Filter and sort feature lets you filter your data as per your requirements. More action button gives you option to print and to generate PDF. With employee module, you can store the complete profile of your employees. They can be teaching, non-teaching, library, transport, and cleaning staff. You can also control their access by arranging them in a hierarchical structure and managing their permission with our powerful permission editor. Keep a history of their promotion and upload their appraiser-related documents. The finance module gives you power to create desired fee structure or implement your existing fee structure seamlessly. No matter what your requirements are, with InstiKit's features such as multi-fee installments, installment due dates, late fee, transport fee, and concession option, they can be easily achieved. This feature is missing from almost every institute management application on the market. With InstiKit, you can manage vehicle data and documents, running log, services log, and fuel records. We are working on reporting feature that will give you stats about the vehicle's performance. We'll also be adding the transport routes to allocate them to students. With library module, you can store all the details of the books in your library, along with any other data related to those books, such as authors, publishers, topics, and their location in the library. You can also record book issues, returns, and late fee penalties. While the calendar module gives you options to manage events and track holidays, with post module you can publish circulars, blog posts, or even news articles. We understand your requirements better than anyone. We have a dedicated team who will keep adding new features to InstiKit. Our future roadmap will let you know about future developments and updates. If you're looking to distribute this application, buy an extended license now with discounted price and use it in multiple instances. Thanks for watching this video. We'll be looking forward to your suggestions and feedbacks.